Hello everyone, today we have a 2013 Cadillac CTS V supercharged. Love the look of these engines. This one just roars. It has painted alloy wheels, silver brake calipers on this one, dual exhaust, beautiful. I'll just go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Shot of the van. It does have a wood look here and then through the dash. Okay. You see that it has AM, FM, Sirius, XM, and Bluetooth. It also has a CD port. It has cooled and heated seats. Your shifter, or to see the backup camera, you just put it in reverse. There's our backup camera. Okay, we'll go ahead and put that down. Okay, we come over here, you see the 51,054 miles on this vehicle. Oh, I did want to show the navigation as well. All right, so that about wraps it up for the CTS V. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was body damage across the front here, and then right in the center on the back. The airbag did not deploy. There was no structural damage. So we were able to get it all fixed up, and it has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.